Okay, before we start this video, I accidentally deleted a lot of the footage that I recorded. So we're just gonna start off from what I had. Sorry about that. That's it. Enjoy. All right. Now that we got practically everything on the Subaru motor already, we got everything attached. The turbo's on here. The clutch is on the back with the flywheel, yada yada. It's time to get this into that, and I'm hoping it goes well. Because I always pull transmissions out too, but I never done like this. So this is the first time. So let's get it. Why? Why? Fuck. Alright, so not without problem, we finally got the motor in. As you can see, all nice. Sitting there. Gap closed, so you know it's in. The reason I had a problem underneath it, I don't know if you see it, let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna go under there. Underneath it, there's like a piece of metal that goes underneath where the flywheel goes, and it kind of like protects it. And it was like bent in, so it was bumping the transmission. But now it's in, and we're gonna test it in this video. We're gonna have it ready, just like that, in like 3, 2, 1. Boom, there it is. The car has been completed. There's snow on the ground. It has been like maybe a little while since I worked on the recorded a video, but nonetheless, the Subaru's done. I have driven the car about 600 miles. Everything works great. You know, some stuff is like stuffy, but it's all good. It all works. The car drives, and we're about to give it a test drive. I know I have like an exhaust leak here too, but like I said, I've driven the car about like 500, 600 miles already. So I know it's good, but for you guys, since I said I was going to get a little driving clip, we're going to get a driving clip. Going to stick a GoPro in here so you can hear the turbo sounds. And then, yeah, that's it. And then we'll see what happens, or we'll enjoy it. See how this recording goes. Why is it so close? I do have an exhaust leak in the car, or by the turbo, I'm pretty sure. You might be able to hear it when a little bit later, but yeah, the car drives great. I do have a blinking check engine light, but it's like a PVC problem. I wonder if you can hear me good. But other than that, the car drives pretty good. And yeah, but it has like problems with the brakes. The brakes are really soft, and I bled all the calipers. So I'm guessing next the brake master isn't holding pressure, but I have a new brake master for it. But yeah, no, the car sounds great. You can hear the turbo nicely. It likes more. You guys are about to die. I'm on the back roads right now, and I don't have a camera holder thing for it. So, but yeah, Yeah, just enjoy the sounds, I guess. Alright, so we're back home now. That's pretty much it for today's video. Sorry it took me so long. Hopefully, this year it's going to be a little bit better. And a lot of big things happening for my cars. As you can see, as you cannot see, as you can see, the Nissan's out and about. Well, not like out and about driving wise, but just out here instead of in the shed or garage, I mean. So I have big plans for that car this year. So we're going to see what happens. And also big plans for the Miata. Not big plans, but plans for the Miata as well. To go drive it more. And yeah, maybe actually record videos of it driving. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And if you want to, you can follow my Instagram right here. I post more on there, and you can see the random stuff I do in my day-to-day life. All right, bye-bye.